Okay, now let me show you how to operate this machine. First of all, let's start the engine. Switch the key and hand brake. This accelerator. This brake. And this is for these two sticks for transmission. This move forward, backward, and this is low speed. Quick speed. And this is a joystick for the bucket. Lower down the boom, lifting up the boom, and this two bottom is for the door of the bucket. And this stick for mixing. Stop. This for 300 rotating. This manual accelerator. Okay. Move forward. No speed. And this stick is for high speed and low speed. This is low speed. Okay, thank you for watching.